Hello everyone, welcome to Splendid Ideas with Maria. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create gorgeous fall decor for your home. On this video, I created two maple leaf trees using items from the Dollar Tree and Walmart, and I also created a wreath that is absolutely gorgeous, so stay tuned. If you like this video, click the like button and share it with your friend, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Now let's get to this video. For those of you who cannot find the items or don't have access to a Dollar Tree or Walmart, I have links in the description box where you can get most of the items. So to create my maple leaf tree, I'm going to use this iron planter bucket that I got from Dollar Tree and a floral foam that I cut to fit the inside of the bucket. Also, to secure the foam inside the bucket, I'm going to glue a piece of cardboard to it, and then I'm going to glue it to the inside of the bucket. Right, next I'm going to use this 3-foot dowel rod that I got from Walmart, and I painted it brown. If you're using your tree outdoor, make sure to use outdoor paint. Next I'm going to push the dowel rod in the foam to make a hole. Next, I'm going to start gluing my leaf bushes. For this, I bend the leaf away from the dowel, and you glue the bushes around the dowel and make sure to adjust the branches a little bit higher than what the dowel is. That way it will cover the top of the stick there. Now, to secure the leaf bushes, I'm going to wrap them with floral tape. Next, I'm going to paint the green tape brown so it can match the wooden dowel. Now that the paint is dry, I'm going to arrange my leaves so that I know where to put the second layer of branches. Okay, now I'm gonna add the second layer of branches, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing I did before. I'm just gonna bend the branches to one side, and then I'm gonna glue them all the way around, and then I'm gonna secure it with the floral tape, and then I'm gonna paint the floral tape. So now I'm gonna add one more layer, and it's a total of 3 layers of leaves. I believe I used a total of 13 bushes. So yeah, it's the same process. Just glue them, tape them, paint the tape, and that's it. So now I'm gonna add a few more leaves. I separated a few more, so I'm gonna glue them down here in this area where you can still see the tape, and so that will cover that. Okay, so let me show you what the tree looks so far. It looks pretty good, and down here is where I added the leaves. Let me show you closer. It's looking really good. Alright, so now I'm gonna take my wooden dowel and I'm gonna glue it in there inside the foam, but first I'm going to fill the hole with a lot of hot glue, and make sure you glue it straight. Now, to cover the foam and to add some weight to my tree, I'm going to be using some of these rocks that I have here, some of the white rocks, but you can find some rocks at the Dollar Tree also, so you don't have to spend that much money. So now you can leave it as is, but I decided to add a few sunflowers just to make my tree a little more beautiful. And for the final touch, I decided to add some of these battery operated LED lights. This step is optional, you don't have to do this, but I thought it would be really cute to add some lights to it. And here is the finished product. Don't they look gorgeous? I mean, they will be a great addition to your fall decor. And now to create my fall wreath, I used an 18-inch wire wreath frame that I'm going to wrap with this burlap ribbon. Now I'm going to add some of these flowers that I got from Walmart. I also have some from Dollar Tree. So feel free to arrange your flowers however you like, but I'm gonna show you how I did mine. Now I'm gonna add 2 of these pumpkin arrangements. These are from Walmart. Next, I'm going to take some of these leaves that came with the flowers. I'm just going to separate them and glue them around in between the flowers. Now I'm going to take some of these berry picks that I also got from Walmart, and I'm just going to stick about 3 of them around in between the flowers. And I'm going to take about 2 of these cones and I'm going to add them to my arrangement. And now I'm gonna add this other piece of leaves here because I think it will look really cute, but feel free to add whatever you like, just make it fun. And I also thought it would be really fun to add the Scarecrow welcome sign that I got from Dollar Tree. I think it will look perfect for this design. And for the final touch, I'm gonna add this cute little pumpkin, and you will also find these at Dollar Tree. And here you have it, my friends. Now, how cute is this? You can have the perfect fall decor without spending so much money, because most of these items are for Dollar Tree and Walmart. Alright my friends, this is all for now. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. See you next time.